Hi, my name is Sarah Poche Madsen, and I wanted to show you around my website that I created for my BYU Idaho Comm 310 class this semester. It's called What's Your Path? And it is a website about career planning. So just a little quick background. Me and my husband, when we went to school, we both kind of struggled with school, and not necessarily with what, like our grades, but just kind of what we wanted to do. And we kind of meandered through school. My husband finally got his bachelor's degree in business management, and we were like, we're done. And we realized that he couldn't really find a job. So he went back to school and ended up going back for more of a career. He's actually a pharmacist now. But my kids, one's 18 and about to turn 19, and the other one is 17, and they're kind of going through the same thing now. And so I just did a lot of research on it and thought it would be fun to put it together for this website. And so here's my homepage, and it just kind of simple. I wanted my website to be kind of easy to look at and just kind of modern looking, and kind of a simple design, just that it would attract people. The colors would be bright and fun. And so this is what I decided to come up with. So here, the homepage just kind of tells you to make a career plan, and then there's different tabs. So then you can go to kind of goes into like the ratio of jobs in America. And what I found is just that too many people are getting bachelor's degrees that don't even really need them. And so anyway, it's really interesting. So you should take a minute to look around if that's something that would interest you. But I have one thing that I was that I saw when we were doing the planning section, or not really planning, but the at the beginning of the semester, we were looking through different websites. One thing that I liked is that they had these call to action buttons. So I thought I would implement that into my site. So you can get to education page by that, or up here in the header. So then there's just kind of goes on to more like things you should think about when you're trying to find a career. And I have the about page that kind of explains all that. And then my contact page that doesn't work because I have taken the class on the PHP, but I was not good at it. And so, and then down here we have links, and the footers on my page is the same, with the links to the practice and then to my style guide. Anyway, the hardest thing for me this semester was just probably kind of manipulating things. So I took a class, I've taken different coding classes, but I am not by any means an expert. So I think the hardest part for me was just kind of like figuring out how I just had to kind of play around with the numbers and CSS until I got it where I liked. And one thing that I really, really like, I'd never used before, but I really, really liked, is the Firefox, how you can go into like get under web developer and then style editor. I'm sure everyone used this, but I had never used this before, and I really, really liked that. It helped me a lot on this website. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Bye.